Hello.
Hello. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes. No.
Hello, Grady.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there's a glitch of my connection at this moment, but of course, uh, we'll see. We're going to make our class smooth today, of course. All right. But of course, how are you, Grady?
I'm fine, thanks.
That's good. And what did you do today?
Get up. I have just get up. I have just get up.
Uh-huh. Okay. Grady, can you give me a minute? I need to change my chair, okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute, my dear. Let me change my server first so our class will be smooth. Wait a minute. By the way, what time did you wake up today?
What?
Wait, let me type. What
Wait.
time
I think your
did...
internet and there's something with your internet. Like
Yes, yes,
lagging.
yes, yes. I need... Yes. Loggy. I need to change my server. Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Lag
Yes.
my is my voice laggy?
No. It's just your camera.
Yes? No?
See your camera, you're
Ah,
turned off.
yeah, my camera is turned on.
Why?
Connection is a little bit laggy today, my dear. So I need to turn it off to make my audio more better. Because I am having problem with my internet connection, so I need to go to the provider to ask what happened to my connection so I can change. So today I am using my backup, which is my data. Yes, and my place is a little bit loading.
Wow.
My
Okay.
voice like a robot in your end? No? Did you already have your breakfast, Grady?
Not yet.
Did did you have your breakfast already? Okay, check your chat box. Check your chat box.
Oh no, I can send the message.
Okay, okay. You know
I
what
can't send the
it
message.
is? You cannot send the message. Why?
I don't know. Sure that I don't know.
Oh, I see, I see. Maybe there's uh but you are in the chat box, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, my connection is now better. I see it now, it's green. So, by the way, Grady, good morning and welcome to our class, of course. How are you again?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. And how about, did you already have your breakfast for today?
Mm,
Yes? Not
mm,
yet?
not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so same as me. I also didn't have my breakfast. I just had a coffee and bread only for today. Yeah. And how about the weather? How is it? How was the weather in your city?
The weather
Is
in
it
my
good?
city.
Mm-mm.
Yes, it's good. Cold.
All right, that's great. Yes.
A little noisy because there's a house is building next to my house, so there's a house building next my home, so there's a lot of noisy.
Here in my place.
Wait, teacher, wait. The internet.
Oh, sorry. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Oh, my gosh, again, are working. Oh my God. To make that change.
Teacher, the internet.
Yes, yes, yes. Wait a minute, my dear. I apologize for that one. Okay. A while ago, everything is good. Wait, let me send you message. But did you read my messages?
I can see anything.
Oh, you cannot see anything. That means it's loading in your end?
No, I
Maybe.
can't see
Wait,
anything.
you cannot see, but you're opening the chat box.
Yes.
The chat box is below.
No,
It's next to the word,
the chat
to the
box,
icon
the chat
attendance.
box which I open.
Oh, the chat box is, you just open it. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, sometimes the connection's strong, sometimes weak. I need a stable. Wait, I need to try server 2 would be stable. Okay, but of course, really, wait, oh, my connection is loading. I really had a bad experience in my connection here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let me share our screen. Let's see if you can see the screen, of course. Okay. Tell me if you can see our book. Can you see it? Yes. No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Okay, so let's have this. Let's continue your book, my dear Grady. Let's have your activity. Activity 2. So we're going to have read the part 3 questions again. What are the question asking you to do? So we have here A and B. So I want you to guess, what are the question asking you to do in each of the passage that we have here? We have first activity A, to give your opinion on an issue. What do you think, or what is your thought, or what would be the question in this passage that we have? Yes.
Mm, to give your option on answer.
Question. To give your opinion on an issue. So, where are we? Part 3. This is our part 3 here. Of course. All right. How about let's skip activity 2 first before we do activity 2. Let's do activity 3 first. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Wait a minute. Okay, let's have read example below. Which examples from exercise 1 is it answering? So we have here 1, 2. This is activity 1. So you need to read first the passage and then determine which question is answering the passage. Okay? So let's start. We have here number 1. That's an
That's wait.
yes.
What I need to do now?
Here, my dear, you're going to read the example answer below. These are an example. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, after you read the examples, you're going to identify which questions from exercise 1 is it answering. For example, number 1, that's an question. So, which is it? Compare many people. In your opinion, do you think? These are the passage or the questions that we have that you need to compare compare to the activity 3. These are answers.
But wait, what I need to write in
Yes.
blank? What I need to
No, you
write?
don't need. No. All you need to do there is, let's say, for example, number 2, your answer is number 4. So you're going to write there number 4. Because I definitely think that work exercise is an important way to learn about a job. I studied business for 3 years and I graduated with honor. So which question do you think is being answered by this passage? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Mm,
Ah. For number 4, there are pros and cons. Work experience is an excellent way to learn about a job in real life, but education or training gives you time to learn the theories. So which question is being answered in number 4? So you need to complete the passage, my dear. For example, here number 4, there are pros and we're looking for the word cons. Let me type the word for you. Okay, we're looking for this word cons. I think we have the audio for this one.
I think so.
Yeah, we have the audio. Let me play the audio, my dear, Grady. Let me play the audio and then complete it. All right. Before we do the. All right. Even me, I got confused.
Track
Okay.
43.
That's an interesting question. Let me think. I definitely think that work experience is an important way to learn about a job. I studied business for 3 years and I graduated with honors. Then I got a good job, but it was really hard work and tiring. I suppose that your first job is always difficult. I learned lots in my first year there. But my course did help me. For example, I understood lots of basic points about business and finance. There are pros and cons. Work experience is an excellent way to learn about a job in real life, but education or training gives you time to learn the theories.
All right. Okay, now you may answer your activity 3.
That is an interesting question. Let me answer. I definitely, I definitely, definitely,
Definitely.
I definitely think that work experience is an important way to learn about a job. I studied business for 3 years and I graduated with honors. Then I got a good job, but it was really hard work and tiring. I I know that your first job was always is always difficult. I learned lots in my first year there, but my core did help me. For example, I understood a lot of basic points about business and finance. There are pros and cons. Work experience is an excellent way to learn about a job in real life, but education or training gives you time to learn the theories.
Theories. All right. Okay. Theories. Okay, now can you tell me which of the questions in activity 1 is been answered in activity 3? Yes. Which question do you think is been answered? No. Which
One,
question in activity 1 which is been answered in activity 3?
number 2.
Number 2. Okay. How many, no, many people think that work experience is the best way to learn about a job. What is your point of view? Okay, good job, my dear. All right, so how about you, my dear Grady? In your idea, how are you going to answer the 3 and 4? The question for number 3 is, in your opinion, do people work more now than in the past?
Yes,
Why do you, why, of course?
because in the past, they just people just need for one work. But now there are some student from high school need to work for from 2 to 3 work in a day.
Oh, I see. Yes, you're right on that one, my dear. Okay, I do agree with you. All right, how about, do you think companies need people to travel to an office and work there? Or can people work from home, like me?
I think can,
Why do you think?
because work from home will help them um save a lot of money.
Yes. Working from home is more convenient than working in an office because you don't need to
Now the
travel,
now
right?
the oil now the oil for the car or the motorbike is more expensive. So I think work at home is
Yes.
better.
Yes, you're right. I do agree with you for that one. Okay, well, good
And they will have
job.
time to
Okay.
and in some meeting they will have time to cooking and listen to the order like that.
Yes, you're right. Okay. So now, my dear, let's do your activity two, which is, you don't need to read again the part three, but I want you to identify what are the question asking you to do in the activity three. Is it give your opinion to an issue or to compare the past to the present?
Let's
Very well said. Okay, to give your opinion on an issue. By the way, Grady, how do you give your opinion in an issue, my dear? Yes? How do you give your opinion in some issues?
You should play video game only.
You like to play video game only. All right. But you did your presentation,
No,
right?
no. Wait.
Yes.
Spam,
Yes. What,
spam. Do you know
spam?
the thing called that um buy a house and make a restaurant or a thing or some cafe and you just need to spam the drink. Spam
Oh,
and spam everywhere. Spawn and
oh,
spawn everywhere.
okay. I see. I see. All right. I got confused on that one. I didn't understand a little bit. Okay. All right. So let's move on, my dear. So here, look at the bold phrases in exercise 3, my dear Grady. Listen to the example answer and complete the gaps, blah, blah. Okay, this is already done. Let's move on. Okay, now listen again and complete the useful phrases below. So here, my dear, if the phrases is so long, you need to write it, you need to jot it down. But if it's too short, you can say it, of course, as long as you remember the word. Okay, so let's listen first. Audio 44. After that, you're going to answer your activity number 6.
Track 44.
That's interesting. Let me see. I think my parents didn't have lots of choices. They worked in their hometown or maybe the capital city. I guess that they wrote letters to apply for jobs advertised in the local newspaper. I don't think my parents' generation usually traveled for work. I'm not sure, but I can apply for jobs anywhere in the world. I look for jobs online and email application forms from my laptop. So I think it's easy for my generation. There are advantages and disadvantages because today I have lots of different opportunities and it's sometimes difficult to make a decision.
All right, now, if you are ready, you may answer activity 6. Complete the passage. Complete the useful expression. Why you were laughing?
Ôi.
Done? What's your answer number 1? What word is missing?
That's me.
That's
Me? That
no.
is interesting. Let
That's
me answer.
then.
Let me answer. Ah. Wait. No. My sound.
Wrong.
Wait. I know that. Ah.
Okay, let's do number 3 so we can move on. What's the missing word?
The word no.
No what?
I know that. It's not
Okay, can
easy.
you write it for me? Please write it, my dear, so we can move on and we can do another task.
I will make you surprise because I'm so stupid.
Why?
So,
I know. Okay, I know that. What would be the next word for the word that? Did you watch football game today?
no.
No, you didn't. Why you didn't watch?
I want to do the homework before the Sunday, because on Sunday my favorite football player Ronaldo will play with Colombia.
Ah, I see. Okay. So that's why you need to finish your homework.
So I don't have time to watch another.
Yes, yes, I see. I get it.
I know that I am an India.
Hmm? You're what?
An India.
Did she says that?
John.
Need to write the correct word because I'm going to play the audio. Let's see if all the answers are correct.
That is not easy.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Maybe. Just a guess if you want. We'll see after.
So very great. Right. 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 Right.
Maybe.
Maybe it's not right.
Maybe.
Baby, you don't love to.
Maybe it's right. Maybe it's wrong.
Oliver cheese.
Number 4. Move on to number 4 and number 5.
I am not smart.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, but I don't know number 4.
Mm-hmm. Just a guess.
Yes.
Yeah, just a guess.
I'm not stupid.
Okay, you may write that there.
I am not stupid.
What?
I am not smart.
Okay. I am not smart.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay. I think so.
There are advantage
Last
and
one, number 5. Number 5. What's your answer?
There are advantage and
You can do it, of course.
work.
Work, advantage, and
And work.
work. Okay, you may type it, and then we'll see if it's correct. Okay. Okay, how about, can you complete 1 and 2? That's, what was the word? Interesting? Interesting, right? You says interesting. And then
Let me answer.
let me answer.
Let me answer. Let me answer. Let me answer.
Okay, let all your answers are correct, of course. Let's listen to the audio one more time and let's do the checking.
Let me see. I think my parents have lots of choices. Their hometown, maybe the capital city. I used to wrote letters to apply for jobs advertised in local news. I contacted my parents and usually traveled for work. I'm not sure, but apply for jobs anywhere in the world. Jobs online. I like for my laptop. I think it's easy for my generation. There are advantages and disadvantages because today I have lots of different opportunities and at times difficult.
All right, I see here that the only one correct answer, which is number 1. Word in number 1. The word interesting. Okay. So good thing, best. Still, you got the one with best. You got the answer for your activity 6. So let's move on for that. So, okay. Okay. Alright, let's have active 9. Listen, question, answer below. So, I'm going to go and you to answer. If you uh,
These need people to travel with. There, walk from home.
oh, so, as I said, so I heard audio asking a question. It's a question. Now, do you have any issue or have your opinion on an issue in the past and present? Ready? What do you think? Yes. What is your thought, my dear Grady?
Hey,
Okay, the question in number A is, do you have to give your opinion on an issue or to compare the past and the present?
No,
Why do you think no?
because I don't want the older people have a lot of money than me. But by my work or by the thing I do.
Mhm. Okay, buy the things that you do or you like. Okay, I see, I see. All right. Which useful phrases can you include? No, yeah, can you include, my dear Grady? Which phrases can you include to your response, of course?
Listen.
Yes.
Which useful phrase can you include? Is the phrase that think I like to play game.
Uh-huh. These are the phrases, do you think? Which of these would you like to include in your response to the activity A? To the
That's interesting.
That's interesting. Okay. Maybe that's interesting. Or let's say I'm not sure or there are advantages and disadvantages. Okay, next let's have. Okay, listen to your answer. Answer the question below. So here we have the question, my dear, and you need to respond on this. So do the answer sounds natural for you?
Listen.
Yeah. Okay, the listening here is just a question, my dear, like this one. Audio 45.
Track 45.
Okay, you're going to answer the
1.
question.
In your opinion, do people work more now than in the past?
Okay. What's your opinion?
Mm, yeah, in the past they can work more. They can work not a lot like now because now there are a lot of type of work, and now around the city there are a lot of students who from high school or in the university have to work from 2 to 3 works in a day.
Why do you think they work 2 to 3 days hours in a day?
That is because I have seen people, and he said that he have to work from 3 to 4 works in a day.
I see. Okay, next. Oh, I'm sorry.
Than in the past.
2.
Do you think companies need people to travel to an office and work there? Or can people work from home?
What do you think?
I don't have any choice. Sorry, but I don't know anything about this question.
You don't have opinion, ideas about the question?
Oh, sorry, but I don't
Do
have.
you think companies need people to travel to an office and work there? Or can people work from home?
Now I don't know opinion because travel around the world is very great, but some company is need or some it not. So I don't have any idea for the question.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I
see.
lost. If you question, did you if you give me this question, I will say that I lost you.
You lost me?
And
Okay.
now I
All
lost the
right.
book.
Oh, you lost the book. I see. Okay, so yeah, now my dear, do the answer sounds naturally a while ago? Do you think you sounds naturally answering activity 1, a question 1? Yes or no? Yes, Grady. Do you think a while ago answering question 1? Do you think it's you answer it naturally? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, of course, it's your opinion. So it sounds naturally for you. Okay, I see. Okay. How many poses are there in your answer?
Three.
Do you think there are 3 poses you have a while ago?
Yes. Or I think
Okay,
for
so
10.
you have a very short response a while ago, of course. As I've heard, there's no poses as I. Okay, how many useful phrases that you have in your response? Do you think you have useful phrases a while ago in answering question 1?
No.
No. Okay. So of course, my dear, in answering, you need to think it very well and look for a useful phrases that you may use. Okay, practice saying your answer again to improve your performance. Record your answers again. All right, so let's move on to exercise exam practice, I'm sorry. Part 3. Let's have these. Read the part 1 question. Record your answer. Record your answer to each question. So let's have number 1 question. What do you do, Grady?
Okay. I'm playing video games.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes. I really enjoy.
Why?
Because make me feel interesting and fun.
What was that? I didn't hear it.
Because it's make me feel exciting, interesting, and funny. Just that.
Is there another type of video game you would like to do?
A lot of time, like 2D, 3D, 2v2, 1v2, offline, online, chess, sport, and about fighting, fishing, racing, blending, or writing, making, the scary, a lot.
Okay. Describe the video game that you play for.
It's called Stickwood Saga, and yeah, I play it just for over 3 years now. And in this game, it was very great because the game make me feel exciting. And in that game, you can have the friends, the teammate, the enemy, and you can play online or offline. And you have to planning, or you have to planning, and you can join the event with your friend too, or and they are skin by the crystal, and the crystal in that game you have to play to have. So great.
Okay. Describe the typical day that you play video games.
What?
Describe a typical day when you play video games.
It's hard to know because this game don't have a lot of people to play, and it was a small game in Warsaw. I don't have any idea about this question. One time again.
Typical day. You don't
What?
have the typical day on playing your
Typical?
game. Like what type of day or what is the usually day that you have in playing your video game? Is it rainy day? Is it sunny day? Is it
Every
a
day.
great day
Every
play?
day. Just the what?
Okay.
Every day for me.
Describe
Every day.
it. You don't know how to describe the day that you like to play
Yes, because I play it every day.
because you play it every day. Okay. I see. All right. Okay, let me do part 2. You're doing your task card. Plan your answer. You have 1 minute to 1 minute for this exam. Then record your answer. You have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So we have here describe a job you have now or have in the past. You should say, okay, here instead of using the job, sure, that is you don't do job, you don't do career or anything. Describe what would you like to describe? May I ask? Hobby, which is your playing game. Okay? Describe a hobby you have now or had in the past. You should say how you got that hobby, what type of hobby would you like to experience, why you wanted that hobby, and then describe how well you do or did the hobby that you want. Okay, let me type it, I think. So, how you've got your hobby. Next, what's the hobby? What's the hobby you want to try? Why you wanted a job? Why you wanted that hobby? And then describe how well you do or did your hobby. Let's change the question. Okay,
Okay,
you have
and
1 minute to think, 2 minutes to
don't need
talk.
to think. Tell now.
Oh, no
Yeah,
need to think. Okay.
I start my hobby when I am watching TV, and that is when my cousin give me a phone to play video game. I don't know what to play, so I have find on the Google Play, and I see that game Stick with Sega, and I want to try that hobby it's because in the video of advertisement they say that it's very great, so I want to try, and when I try that it's very great, and I wanted to play it every day. Yeah, and I I I feel very exciting and funny when I do my hobby. Just that easy.
Okay, wow, good job. May I ask, my dear Grady, how old are you when you um how old are you when you start your oh, by the way, what is your first hobby?
My first hobby. Yes,
What's first hobby? I know computer game first hobby. I
the
know
first hobby
the
is chess. It's not computer game.
Yes. Wow. How old are you when you started chess?
Just 6 to 7.
6 or 7 years old. And um how to say this one?
Who teach me?
Yeah, who teach you to play chess or who encouraged you to play chess?
It me.
It's yourself. Does your dad do the chess also?
No,
Ah, no. So who's the person who helps you to play chess?
me.
Yourself only? How did you learn
Yes,
it?
I start by myself.
Oh, you study it by yourself.
Yes,
Wow, that's nice. That's good. That you study it by yourself. Okay. All right. So that's it. So now, okay. So your first hobby is playing chess, and then your second hobby is the computer game now.
yes.
Okay. So when did you start playing computer game?
Yes. 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Who encouraged you to play video game?
As my cousin, when that
Your
day,
dad.
my cousin tell me to play anything I want when he's studying.
Uh, while he's studying, he let you play anything. And then you realize that playing, what is it?
What?
What
What?
is
What?
it?
What?
What is it?
What? Don't know anything.
About this thing. You're trying to stop.
Why the internet is lagging?
Oh, my connection is lagging. Okay, sorry. What is hear me? You
Not very well. Not very
hear
well.
not very well. Not very well. Where is my dear? We're already done. But of course, Grady, but well done for today, and we're going to continue this book of yours. What day tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow is Saturday, so see you on Monday. Bye. But and see you on Monday. I will really fix my internet so you can see me again. Bye bye. Good job for today.
Bye.